Big moment. Yeah. Yeah, push Coco. Yeah, it's a little heavier, isn't it?
Go.
Okay, go ahead.
Good girl, Coco. You're such a good girl.
That's awesome. Noah's like, this is a little heavy. He's like, I gotta get up.
Go ahead, Coco. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on.
There you go. So much better. Oh, that was funny. Yeah. She was like, hello. She's like, what do I do from here?
I was like, I'm not having any part of that.
Yay!
Oh.
Whoa.
Up one spot.
Stop.
No surprise, number 15. It's Radio Disney's Top 30 Countdown. I'm Jake, and these guys, well, they just joined me to count down the first 10 songs on the countdown. Here they are. Up one spot with Journey to the End of My Life. It's All-Star on Radio Disney's Top 30 Countdown.
Hi.
Hi. really a close up.